Nchira ya mo yogotinia abokoreri no bobweni ase county Nyamira nigo serikali ya county yu kubwatrana amone wisare abachanu yue kurawa na Dr. Ronald Mogoi litkulia lero nyarka bage gosokia ebitanda imyemo na 50 hebija ebyo bigochigotumeka ase okobakonya abaroire abange kugendera konyora obobweni ase nyagitali yuo waigo nigo bamentire ebitanda binde bine elio ebyo byogotumeka ase ensemelia yabangena bali bakogongia nabo igo chinsemo chinde ao munagotumanyia omorikeito Fatgad Gisemba.
Serikali ye kaunti ya Nyamira kubatrana ne wizara y'obachenu imeye kaunti eyo nigo basyoririe ukugurwa kw'ebitanda emya eyemo na 50 ebyo birache gokonya abaroire abange konyora obokoreri kubare ase nyagitari eyo enene ya Nyamira.
We have acquired and installed 150 new patient beds. This is in addition to the currently existing beds that we have within the hospital. Therefore, this will reduce bed shortages and allow for more admissions while ensuring that our patients are recovering in a more comfortable and less crowded environment.
Nonya nigo serikali eyiga nigo yamentire ebitanda binde ebijya bine ebyo birache gutumika asensemo eria abaswati bakwiborera abana.
In ensuring that our mothers deliver in a safe and comfortable environment, we've also acquired 4 state-of-the-art delivery beds. These 4 state-of-the-art delivery beds, one is an hydraulic bed and 3 are electric beds. These modern equipment will ensure that our mothers, as they are delivering, the physical strain that they undergo is reduced, thus making childbirth safer and more comfortable within our facility.
Kukwana ase nyagitari enene ya Nyamira nigo abarwaire basabirwe utumia amarangeti na boigochi uniformu ekyo kyagurirwe eryo kurenda obochenu bwabo kubare ase nyagitari
kuvalia uniform ya wagonjwa kama uko hospitali. So kuanzia leo vile waziri ana unveil these uniforms and linen, tunaomba tushirikiane nyinyi wote wagonjwa na wahudumu wetu wote tuwe na sare, tuvalie sare. Hospitali imeprovide sare kwa free, tafadhali tuivalie. Hii ni njia moja ya kuzuia magonjwa na pia kuhakikisha kwamba una environment nzuri ya care katika hospitali.
Ensemo yende nigo bakwanire egitambokero kya serikali ye kaunti eyiga kyogokunya egesima kya mache ase nyagitari eyiga anene gukora omuchando wa mache oyobeire gokorekana ase nyagitari eyiga ase myaka ya etire.
Also achieving another very important milestone, which is water self-reliance through the borehole. Tumekuwa pia waziri tukiona picha za mitungi ya maji, watu wakisema wametuma nyumbani kuleta maji ili wapate huduma kwa hospitali. So that is now a thing of the past. That never happened though, but it's a thing of the past. We will never experience water shortage here, and that will reinforce and reinforce our resolve for proper care and infection prevention, especially around patient safety.
Hingo ripota Gatembe kurwase nyagitari enene ya Nyamira eyegotoka imeye wodi ya Township West Mugirango inche Fatgad Gisemba.